What's up?
Who is that guy?
My boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend now?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I'm cussing up right now. Work out, I'm more bad. So I was so cocky, man.
Tell you something, I'm tell you
Yeah.
bum buckle or something. You need to tell your friend them say I shot me bum buckle
We're
or
not gonna
fire.
do this
Yo,
now.
don't touch me. Yo.
Her, Naira shit up. Cause it's time since nice, I can't always say what I want to say. Me never trouble Rosealee in her handsome shit up. You see it? And stuff shit up come here to her. I didn't trouble she, nor handsome shit up.
I say, who come to me with a problem with them? Go suck your mother.
Don't make you crash out for me.
Go suck your
Don't make
mother.
you crash out for me. Go suck, go back for you too.
Go stinking old girl.
Example, me I go down the road that morning and Miss Rose come to fight me. I feel like some I got turn up make Rose fight me and sick me and prove when me done blood clot run. When me done run, if a girl come to fight me, me not turn up in a no war. Come on, me turn up. Me turn up. Hold on. Hold on. Look. Look. Hold on. Look. Look.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it upon the beating as can see. But on the screen, a whole lot is going on in this video, so it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with the serious parts of the video and wishing Sydney a happy belated birthday. As you know, it was 2 days ago. It's my 7 people. And you know, World Boss him post up the good stuff about him, wifey. You know what I mean? Because you know, at 10 years, them together and all of these things. He said, man, I say, I'm not going to read out what him write, but with us, I say, we know if I hail the queen. You know what I mean? But speaking about Cartel, you know, say, him have him foundation, and people is asking what's going on with Joe Bogdanovich. Well, as you're going to see, Scott Burrell is, you know, doing the groundworks. Not saying he's ground in Cartel, but, you know, he's on the streets making things complete so families in need can get them things. And a lot of people is upset that Romeich is getting the highlight and not like Shaggy and so many other dancehall artists that deserves the credit. You see, man, some people putting in the comment section where you think about that because our Spice deserve some highlight too, you know. And you know, Bro God is playing a very dirty game because we all know Sir Romeich is Team JLP. I already know why Bro God is picking up the entertainment sector right now, because everybody is seeing that it's the dancehall artists them that's really reaching people in need and not giving a bag of excuse. You know what I mean? They're finding ways to get these supplies to them. You know what I mean? And this is why you say Bro God is nice enough with Romeich, because like I said, he's a JLP puppet. And all of this aroused because, you know, Darryl Voss and Buju Banton, they get into something. So, you know, them drive for Romeich because him need, you know, the strength. Because, you know, I'm saying Babylon for Backstone Woman and all of this stuff, you know. You see what I say? So we know, say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Anyway, people, let's get to the teething part of this review, because we're not going to let Romeich not talk about the people that missing goods run at customs, you know. So let's hear what the people that miss saying, then we'll proceed with the next.
You see why corruption can done? You hear what Minister Voss say? Buju Banton should have called him. And he has known Buju Banton over the years. And him should have called him privately. So him can do the investigation if things missing for see who take things out and barrel and stuff. And Buju Banton should never have went public. Yeah, because Buju Banton have a platform. Buju Banton has a name. Buju Banton is known internationally. Buju Banton can be deemed as a credible source. But when the regular man, oh, nothing no come out of it. And when I have his number, can call him. And we are a friend over the years. Nothing no come out of it. But because of Buju Banton and light can be shed, and this ongoing problem what Jamaicans have faced for years upon years, them always see for things are custom. But because of Buju Banton now, and it go viral, and people know, and all of the comment, them people in agreement because people have suffered and no protocol has been put in place. And many people complain about this and they never do nothing to change it. But because Buju Banton come out and speak now, you see, they want to sweep it under the rug. He wish Buju Banton did call him so he could have cover up. And yes, it don't look good. It's a disgrace, yes. but light needs to be shed. So maybe now Buju Banton can be a voice, a reason for change. Now then we take this thing seriously because it's someone who is well known as someone with name. You understand? Experience this and bring it to the light. Because the regular man like me and you who are cry out for years, no change. No change. But Buju Banton come out and speak and them upset. You see why corruption can done? Because the head corrupt too, you know.
Put in the comment section if you agree with the lady reasoning and that. Now let's get to the bagga mix up that we're not really here for. Cause boy, oh boy, Akeem, boy, him not stop scanning Rose, you know. Boy, oh boy, people putting in the comment section if Rose more think because boy, she always call somebody thinking about. I would say Akeem must scan her from the kiss. I would say that she and Jake's in a bagga because him says she styling program, so that's why him style back Akeem them. You know what I mean? But as you can see on the screen, my son, this from other day, Jake's and Rosealee, them back in the love sack again, and they playing everybody. You feeling me for them coins, you see me? I don't know if that's true or not, but me just a messenger. But nevertheless, Kiki, I talk some things about side girl and matey and wifey and all of these things, because you know what position she plays in all of this. So let's hear what I go on for not to go on and proceed with the next.
Me nah do too much. All if me take your husband, guys, you ever want mate yet, but you feel like a wife. You forget that you're a matey as some man treat me. From once me and a man a grind man treat me like a wife. A whole heap of time me a matey and me feel like wife. So me know say, if me come in a film life, remember, listen, me wish, you see me, if me decide to give Jaden my front, Jaden would have weep to me. And I ask. Because number one, me tell on every day, me is a girl, me fuck fi win. Me know what the type of girl who think like this, say, oh, man, I go cheat regardless, yes or no. So, they not do the most. Me believe say girl what do the most in a bedroom, get the most things. You ever realize your wife what they are clean and everything and cook and everything, not really get nothing to that, but the girl it's a girl out there. And through the side girl make a man feel a specific way. Man by side girl care and get things. So me feel like say an idea the flex of who the man get things. Anybody can get wood, but who get things. And who get things from man that I flex because look into this. No man now gonna have one woman. Impossible. So in idea if you're a grind a man and the man not give you nothing, you know, make no sense. But you see when you're a girl who get things and don't need to worry about nothing else. But you see true me know say my front tight and it good. Me know say you would beg me for my pum regular. And then me tell you what the type of man they want me. You see with me now, you see man I want this little fantasy. That's why I have Cali money. That's how Cali money come. Cause me tell you how man see a man create one little fantasy world in their head and they want to live it. So sometimes they see as the girl to live their fantasy. So if you realize oh, me so pretty and my front tight, why me always a chase him and them? Because of that I feel powers. See him like how me did have one man, he never call me, he not text me. And no matter how me call him, he not answer, no matter how me text him, he not really answer and he feel like, and he used to piss me off. He say, I done anytime I want to see me. Then I have to call or text, just pull up. But the thing is, you go pull up. Boy, me I tell us the man always want to give me too much work for do. So in idea, me always done in every man life. Yeah, and then me is the type of girl like this. If me a grind a man and a girl find out say me a grind a man, you just have to feel a way about it because guess what? The man a go kill you with life and him a go kill me with life, but he not left me. He not left me. Me too good for him left for me. Me a type of girl like this when a man a granny and next girl him think about me. Yeah, then think about we. It's hard for a man just go to you know it's hard. Yeah. Me is the type of girl a man either ride with you for 20 years and me just come in a picture and just mash up everything. I true, me can't fight, me not do certain things. So me believe so like when some girl enough girl. I true, me can't fight, me not enough. That's why no girl never beat me. Me always enough hold my own. So me never do too much. Anyhow, me could have fight. Me wish me could have fight. me no want fight. Me no feel like me can't fight, I swear. Me no feel like say fighting cute. Me I type a girl like this, me not go come on the internet and go and like me a bad girl and me fight a girl or choke a girl. Me argue for no till a morning, but if I lick me, I go lick your back. Murder, for me, fighting take too much energy and work. I'm a fragile. Murder empty a clip in a sitting head and just gone and take it as nothing. Me can't fight. So me I try tell you say, call it say for example, me I go down the road a morning and Miss Rose a come fi fight me. I feel like some I go turn up make Rose fight me and sick, me not prove when me done blood clot run. When me done run, if a girl a come fi fight me, me not turn up in a no war. Who want turn up in a war? Enough time girl try to prove a point and get scared, boom a girl go cut me, spoil me, Boom, my girl go cut me in my face, spoil, me I go say, if me didn't know, me walk away, or me not turn up, me I run your fuck. Me I run. Me not turn up in a no war. Any girl want turn up in a war that a fool no look, but me I try tell her say, me see a girl a come fight me, me I run. Oh, so if me go in the street a morning and me see one girl but me like she want fight me not even there argue back with that girl. Me I try take time run. So you try run down my blood cleat and when me start running and catch me back. Oh, me not try prove no point. Me no want fight. Fight for me, fighting not cute for a woman. Fighting not cute and in a demure. Woman fi no love fight. Yeah, me not like a girl and love fight. Me yes, if me friend them, if me fi key friend, me like a friend them like woman wa just chill. Me tell you type of girl them what me like. Me like girls them what hustle ya fuck. Me like woman wa in a them bag, like literally. Me like independent ladies. Independence ladies is a flex to me. For some reason, me telling them this, I me not care what nobody wants to say this, I me talk this for my life, say. Me no key friends or me no see I do nothing at all in them life. Like, you really have to do something to motivate me. Yeah, me like girls like this. Me say, when we take a trip, I make we go do this, something, they say when. And they say, alright, we are going to do it. One thing what can turn me off. You see, I'm like how man get turned off. Me as a lady, me get turned off. You see, if me, I get if you know ya, me say, girl, come we go have a day out. And the first word they say out your mouth, wonder which man I go carry. Me just look on you low, like never say that around me. You go say, alright then, gally, Monday we do this. Me like you ladies, then want make move by themselves. Me like we want them want sit down and if a man no make them drink a strawberry daiquiri, then can't do it, then can't carry out themselves, then can't treat themselves. Everything is always about a man for them. I don't like, me not like them type of females there. Me like women who have their own and who are ready. So yeah. Me not like, yeah. I don't like keeping broke girls for friends. Right now, yeah. You bite me. And me no know. I'm telling me now. Me can't. Me no know. The reason why me not keep friends. Me like a girl who are rough and have one gangster mentality. Me and if me tell her, me and the woman extra feminine lady, me can't really deal with them. Me have one friend right now. She extra feminine and she very soft. And she tell me say Kiki, you know, say me soft and fragile. And with her now, a bigger woman for me, but she look good for her age. Alright, me I go tell her who. I see a lady what me and her did out the other day. She nice and she very soft and she fragile. So you see she now, it come like me have to take my time with her. So you see with she now, me just soft with her. You think before you talk and then things that me like rough one them. Mosquito have strength for keep. Me say and I want to talk about sitting today, guys. I tell you sitting. What reason? Me I go talk about energy. And see energy, bro. Can't tell anybody this energy weak. Real. REAL real. You see, in a life, as long as I do certain places, You can never win. I tell somebody, you can never win until there are certain people, bro. Sometimes you just have to go out there on the ball game and go risk it. I see more while in a life you have to forget what you feel, forget your emotions. You get what me from who not check you. Sometimes I just have to leave your emotion one side. You realize say you're a man now work or you're a woman because it's a truth. Love enough for some people at certain specific time. Some season in your life I feel going in your bag and some season I love. Yes, if I realize you're in one season where love leave not make sense in your life and that not work for you, you just have to forget about how you feel. You can't get up every day in your life and use your heart, you know. You cannot get up every day and use your heart. More while you first your heart, bro. Some days in your life you can't think about say every chapter in your life you have to go walk with friends. Some chapter in your life are just you and God alone, bro. I just you and God have to take on this road. You see, sometimes for bingo and for itty, you just have to separate yourself from some people because you see, elevation requires separation. As long as there are certain places and there are certain people, you're not going to prosper in a life because they are hold down.
Put in the comment section what you think about that. Anyway, people, we're not going longer. This is not longer, you know. So do the right thing and like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, be notified when we dropping this latest. Bless.